Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. Hey, just picked this up, $4.94, Porter cable, model 7301, 5.6 amp, 30,000 revolutions a minute, spindle lock. Only problem is it's missing the collet and the collet keeper. And I believe this is actually like a trim router, so it's missing the base plate as well. I'll look and see about getting that replaced. But let's see, they had it marked to, maybe if I can get it off here, $9.94. They marked it down to $4.94. I'll show you why. I got them to knock $1 off. So $3. I apologize for the sound now, but yeah. Hear that? Something's causing that to make some god-awful noises. So we're going to take it apart, find out what's wrong with it. I'm going to grab my... And they had a whole bunch of Hitachi stuff down there. I'm going to go back and take a battery and see if it works. Alright. First things first. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that sucker right there. The fan came off and is making a heck of a lot of noise. So we'll have to see about getting a new fan for it. But other than that, I mean, looks good. Bearing. 608Z skateboard bearing. That's in good shape. Let's see if I can get the spanner off. Be right back. Alright, had to get the vise out. So, yeah, she's supposed to press on there, and she's a little beyond that. So, like I said, that side's pretty good. That bearing's good. Little hole right there for the spindle. That was drilled good. Good epoxy there on the windings. Nothing wrong with the windings. Spindle lock. Good cast aluminum. Good NSK bearing there. And let's see how the rest of it comes apart. Okay there. Crimped ends. Switch. Staked on terminals. And they're the terrible ones. They're just really thin metal. Brush housing. Brushes look good. I don't know how the heck I'm going to retain them though. Well, I put this sucker back together. Oops. clean and take the brush apart. But back here in the back, where the bearing sits, good strain relief. I can't tell what kind of plastic it is. Feels almost something like PA6. Oh, yep, there's glass fibers in there. So, nothing to it. I mean, the stator windings and everything in there, they're pretty skookum. Looks like the wires wore out there. That would be not the wire, but the tape that goes over the ends, like that stranded fiber tape. That's because this sucker's been bouncing around there. So we'll get this off. A new fan ordered for it, because I could 3D print one, but I just 30,000 RPMs. Yeah, bearing and I can hold. Find the end of that for the collet and the standoff for I believe it's a trim router, but we'll go look it up, and when I get the parts, we'll finish the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell to be alerted when there's new videos, and till next time when I get that part back, we'll just let her sit here on the healing bench and try to see if she'll get better on her own. If not, see you next time. Thank you.